Hi! I've recently moved and I'm now really excited to build my new setup. In this video, I'm showing you how I do it. I need to start by putting together the desk and the chair afterwards, and once we're done with this, I'll set up the laptop and the monitor. Here's the desk that I got for free from my colleague Ole. Thanks for that. That's the chair and everything that's required. This is a cable management box that I got from IKEA, and I've got an LED strip for the back of the desk as well. I'll need to move away the chair for now, because here is where I'm planning on putting the desk. Was quite quick and easy to bring up. Now I'll add the LED strips on the back. I'll move the desk to the side so I can get started with the chair. There it is, the chair is done. Let's now move the desk to where it's going to be. Now that we have the desk and chair sorted, I think the next step is setting up the laptop and the monitor. The plan is to use the cable management box to house all the power supplies and actually serve as a stand for my monitor. That's it. That's the first version of the setup complete. I can definitely say I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. I know there's a lot to improve upon, but that leaves me some more work to do in the future. But for now, that's pretty much everything. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.